Well, alright, YouTube land. Did some more truck stuff today. Besides my front little ions here, which are still doing great. Front's still a little bored, but I'm working on something later on. But truck's still going great. We got a nice little vertex back here. And I finally got the ions working back here. However, not 100% because I fucked up somehow. Found out these things run off the ground as the primary, and the rest can be positive. Need a life right here, but I found one on Amazon. It's not a wheeling, but it's gonna fit just right in between there, so I'll be doing that. Other than that, from that safe I ripped apart. We're doing really good in here. Besides the air horn. Oh, not that my camera. This works. Look at the fun little thing I found. Now, if we turn off all these lights here, which I will turn off everything here now. Click and click. You can see what else I've been working on. So, a wall of shit right there. In this compartment, we have, usually it's my gear, but it's over there right now. It's a bit too old to work on getting some new ones. But, my security gear in here. Turn the light on. Actually, excuse me. Found that in the Explorer, which I ripped apart. But yeah, that's no in here. My tourniquet and pouch, got that off Amazon. M9 and M4, sorry, not M9. M18 and M4 pouches. I bought that because Nate does not give me, well, doesn't have the funding to give me a proper one, so I bought myself. I'll keep that. M18 holster. Again, these pulled out of a wrecked police cruiser. Really happy with that. I'll show you the wiring on that later. Cover this side. Oh yeah, my little setup area. For the mess, I just finished doing this wiring job. And yes, I'm watching Cops as I do this shit. Why? Because I missed this show. It's the best show ever created. And it came out around the time I was born. I am 36, so do the math. Oh, my sunglasses. So, here we have... Ow. It's my, oh shit, my CBR gear, which is personal. Had that since 2010, when I joined the decon team. My Mall, married pair, the Halligan and the X. My Survivor light, my... what's the damn thing called? Scene light, stream light, light box, that's what it's called. Brain fart on that one. Need to get new pistons eventually, but not priority. Now everything here is charging, which I will now get to. We come back here. And besides my nice little medical kit here, let me turn on the light, because now I got this working. Full on light up. Got my little Motorola radio charger right there. It's not the, I don't think it's the right radio anymore, which means I gotta do some shopping later, but probably won't buy it later. But something I bought, I fixed a PS3 backwards compatible model, and I picked up this SCBA. Most of that money I got off it went towards the bank account. The other half went towards this. It was 120 bucks. Cylinders I got separately. I already talked about that one in another video. But it's got a bailout kit, which is very nice. I haven't been able to get it fully charged. Like I said before, it's a Lackawanna Fire Department pack I picked up from eBay with the Evans Center SCBA and the Florida mask. No, the Florida regulator. Where's the mask from? I forget where that was from. I think that's shit, you know, it doesn't matter. This all works. It's all fixed, and different from the last video. My glasses are in there. I got a nice fit right now. Not only did I get a very nice rubber piece here, which is not ripped, which is really, really rare to find, but I got the proper passageways on it now, so that's wonderful. Camera down for a second. Camera up. Alright. Back here, we got my little fuse box, my medical kit. It's nothing major, it's just hey, I pulled on crashing, I want to be able to help someone. The little fuse box there. This is the pulleys for that little charger right there. Dome lights, interior lights, which includes the charging kit. My very nicely mounted jerry can, which is now locked in place. It ain't going nowhere unless I get into a wreck. It's also pretty full. Why? Because I like having a full tank of emergency gas. Now this light here is flickering a little bit, which I was showing it. This box here was out in the weather, which I cannot show. Come on, give me a little light, please. Yeah, this guy's been damaged for a while. It works, it's okay, I don't need to do anything about it. I just need to go in the wire a few times. Now, I still have yet to put a damn antenna for my scanner or my two-way in here. Come back here. That's dark, but whatever. So it's working. Seats still going good. Got this nice little console here made of wood. I thought it was plastic and OEM, but drove out for this thing. Found out it was a makeshift one I made himself. I'm still happy with it, but whatever. Back behind the chair here. Still got to do some cleaning on this. That's the new wheeling. I had I forget which model I had before. That's the one that's the PA air horn. My other one was actually a siren air horn for Hideaway. Here's the CMD, or whatever the fuck model, I forget what it is now. Fuse box, I definitely have to readjust everything in here. It's too high. I need to lower it, make it better. But that's a job for future me, because I am tired today. Worked my ass off on this thing. This thing's like a program too. So, for the future of this car, I'm going to be putting an antenna on eventually. I'm debating on either fucking bugs in the camper shell, which I might not do, or put a 2 pucks on the roof, or this is a big or. I can't go that way. More old stuff I've had pulled away. My little collection of license plates. Light bar from a Crown Vic. My helmet collection. My last fire. They were tired of this one, throw it out. I grabbed it from the trash, got it back. That was my replacement I bought. That one I got from my new firehouse, which, long story on that one. Old Firefly, pass alarm, blank. So all my good shit on this wall here. Hose strap. This thing is a godsend for firefighting. Wrap it around the hose and hold on tight. I'm putting probably that fire extinguisher in this truck eventually. But I'm big on buying a new one or just keeping that one. That one I've had since 2010 and before. Kept it in my Crown Vic. It survived all the moves, everything I went through. My little center here has grown a bit. Laptop works. I said laptop works. What are you making me a liar? There we go. Got a mouse there. And yeah. Diag center. So back to what I was talking about. I have a really good antenna, which I am debating on putting into service with this car. Because on one hand, I don't want to drill the roof. On the other hand, I really want it to look really good. Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, this one. Am I right or am I wrong? Okay, so a bunch of old lights in here. I donated a lot of my old stuff to the Terry Farrell Fund recently, so I'm lacking in here now. Mostly one of the old Fuck off, bugs. Just die in the pit already. Let's see. Complete brain fart. 1 sec. Loading. Someone gave that TV while I was out here working. Had no idea. Alright, so it wasn't in that box. Let's see. There it is. It's a very nice antenna. Right. Oof. Ouch. Pause. Alright, tagging. Yeah, this good antenna right here, which I have to figure out if I can use it. But I'm going to leave it up to a buddy of mine. I'm going to talk to him, see what we can do, and then have a professional put him the right way, because I don't want to leak. Anyway, that's it for me and Moby Dick here. My light, there it is. It's been a fun day. I'm exhausted. And, well, thanks for watching.